So adding a KIWI music widget on iPhone home screen is pretty straightforward. So just tap and hold and apps start to jiggle. Tap plus in the top right and then you need to add KIWI. And then there you have it, see songs sent by your friends and then you will be able to add them. So you have a horizontal widget or you have this square widget. So for example, if I want to add this horizontal widget, there you have it, that's how it is. And yeah, so now you will be able to see that. It's not possible to add it or add some additional details there. So that's basically how it is working, and that's it. Of course, you need to create an account in KIWI widget and you need to sign up with your Spotify or Apple Music. Otherwise, it won't be working.